Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting update for all the digital marketers out there. Google Analytics 2023 is here, bringing a whole new level of insights and features that you need to know about. First off, Google Analytics now offers real-time data tracking, allowing you to see up to the minute information about your website's performance. No more waiting for data to refresh. Next, we have improved segmentation capabilities. Now, you can easily create custom audiences based on specific user behaviors or demographics. This is a game changer for targeted marketing campaigns. But that's not all. Google Analytics 2023 introduces advanced AI-powered forecasting. Say goodbye to guesswork. The AI algorithms can predict future website traffic and conversion rates, helping you make informed decisions and optimize your strategy. Furthermore, the new version of Google Analytics includes enhanced mobile analytics. With the ever-growing importance of mobile devices, this update allows you to gain deeper insights into your mobile users' behavior, helping you optimize their experience. Another exciting feature is the integration of Google Analytics with other Google tools, such as Google Ads and Google Search Console. This integration provides a unified view of your marketing efforts, allowing you to measure the impact of your campaigns more accurately. Lastly, Google Analytics 2023 now offers customizable dashboards. You can arrange your reports in a way that best fits your needs and goals. It's all about personalization and making data analysis easier and more efficient. So, to recap, Google Analytics 2023 brings real-time data tracking, improved segmentation, AI-powered forecasting, enhanced mobile analytics, integration with other Google tools, and customizable dashboards. Thank you for watching this video and learning about the essential updates and insights of Google Analytics 2023. If you found this information helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay ahead in the digital marketing game with Google Analytics 2023.